Alright, good morning parents. I want to take a minute to talk to you about how to log into the online version of the textbook. That way if your students are struggling with homework at home, they have some example problems to look back on, vocabulary words to look up. So to use this website, you need to visit this address up top here. It's my.mhEducation.com/login. Their username is going to be their student ID followed by CCS, and then their password is their birthday with no dashes and a lowercase a right at the end of it, just like they would log into Alex. So I'm going to enter a student's birthday with no dashes, the letter A at the end of it, and hit login, and it'll take us here. Then from here, what you're going to want to do is, if this doesn't load right away, make sure you click on the Berwick Alternative Elementary School, but it should be fine. And right here is the book, and if you say launch, it will open up this, and when you're ready to log into the ebook, there it is, and it will load. And they'll have access to pretty much everything that we've worked on in class, any missing assignments, and going about through that. So, when they get there, that's where they will be as soon as this page loads. It does take a couple minutes. It's a fairly lengthy book, and it loads anything and everything. So there we are. We've been working on page 61. Just type that in at the bottom. And there's the zoom in, zoom out features. So if you have trouble reading the book, you can use that to scroll down. There's a glossary if need be. You can't print anything from the book, but it would at least allow you to do that. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.